Kutztown University. It offers a variety of opportunities for students on campus. Not all of the academic buildings have specialized purposes, however. Rohrbach Library contains a hidden gem where creative minds meet. STEAMworks is a makerspace that invites students to explore their innovative side.
Welcome to STEAMworks. My name is Bruce Jensen. I'm the librarian here. STEAMworks is in the ground floor of Rohrbach Library at Kutztown University. We're open to anyone who comes in, regardless of what major they're in, whether they're members of the community or KU students or kids from the neighborhood. STEAMworks is a makerspace. A makerspace is a place where people can come to try out ideas, to bounce their ideas off of other imaginative people, and believe me, we get a lot of creative and imaginative people not only coming to use the place, but working here. We have the most talented staff of makers who put together ideas and projects and turn them into reality that you can imagine. So this is sort of an incubator. Like a lot of maker spaces, it's an incubator for ideas, inventions, just projects that people want to bring to life. Among the things that people can do at STEAMworks is virtual reality. We have an HTC Vive system, which is a room-scale virtual reality setup. We've got about 50 or 60 games and experiences where you can do everything from visit the other side of the world convincingly using Google Earth, to modeling, making 3D printable objects in Google Blocks, to shooting zombies and playing in Job Simulator.
Oh my god. Yeah. So does it storm with the horses? Okay. So. Okay.
Don't forget to start to smell.
Go.
We've also got vinyl cutters that are fantastic for making decals, putting on your laptop, on your windows, on your car. We've got a bunch of 3D printers that people like to use to fashion stuff that they've modeled or found online. We've got big printers that are great for making posters, and we've got a sewing machine and an embroidery machine, which are fabulous for people who like to do needlework and make costumes. Our website gives people a chance to make appointments to meet with, for example, a cosplay specialist to get some ideas about putting props and garments together. We've got appointments for everything from working with Photoshop and doing camera work to 3D printing.
That's perfect. Okay.
That was not perfect.